It would not be fair to omit Containerd from the discussion about containers. Containerd is not a container manager. In most of the situations, you never use it directly as it's hidden below some of the container managers. If you look at the Docker, for example, it's using Containerd between itself and runc. Another example is AWS ECS, which removed the Docker from its platform and instead uses Containerd directly. Confusingly, Containerd website names it a container runtime, but the real container runtime there is runc. I would rather name Containerd a container engine, but at this point container vocabulary becomes really messy. Unlike runc, which is always used as a CLI, Containerd is supposed to be used inside the source code of high-level tools. There is an SDK to connect to Containerd daemon. There is also a nerdctl tool that you can use to talk to Containerd directly to play around with the different features of it. Containerd is perfect if you plan to implement your own container manager, but it's not entirely useful for the end user. It is important to be aware of its existence, especially if you hit a tricky bug and try to go through all the layers involved in running a container. You also should keep in mind that the majority of Docker features in regard to running containers are actually coming from Containerd and not from Docker. As it's always happening in our industry, we have high-level tools on top of lower-level tools on top of even lower-level tools. Docker happens to be on the highest level. Now, finally, let's try some container managers.
There are no challenges that we couldn't overcome. Whether it is immediate infrastructure problems or planning a future project, we won't simply answer your questions. We become a part of your team to help you complete the mission. Our solutions consider the interests of your business and the combined expertise of the industry, as our staff is made up of more than a dozen experts in different areas who share decades of field-tested experience and knowledge with you.